How do variables help solve equations? Have you ever wondered how we can find unknown numbers in math? The answer lies in the use of variables. Variables are symbols, often letters like X or Y, that stand for numbers we do not know yet. They play a key role in solving equations by helping us express relationships between numbers. Let's break down how variables assist us in this process. First, variables representing unknowns. For instance, in the equation 3 times x plus 5 equals 20 is the variable that we need to figure out. This allows us to create a mathematical statement that describes a situation, even when some values are missing. Next, we can create equations using these variables. This is helpful because it allows us to model real-life problems or abstract math challenges. By writing equations, we can organize our information clearly, making it easier to understand. Now let's talk about isolating the variable. When we solve an equation, our goal is to find the value of the variable that makes the equation true. We do this by performing operations that keep the equation balanced. For example, we can add, subtract, multiply, or divide both sides by the same number. Using inverse operations is another important step. Variables allow us to undo what has been done to them. If we multiply the variable by 3, we can divide both sides by 3 to isolate it. This step is crucial in finding the value we need. Simplifying and solving equations becomes easier with variables. They help us combine like terms and simplify expressions on both sides of the equation. This makes it much more straightforward to find the unknown value. Finally, checking our solutions is essential. After we find a value for the variable, we can substitute it back into the original equation to see if it works. This verification step ensures that we have solved the equation correctly. For example, consider the equation 7 times v equals 8 minus 8 times v here. Variables help us combine like terms and isolate v. We can add 8 times v to both sides, simplifying it to 15 times v equals 8. Dividing both sides by 15 gives us v equals 8 over 15. To succeed in solving equations, practice is key. 10th graders should focus on isolating variables in various types of equations. Learning to recognize inverse operations will also help. Additionally, checking answers by substitution is a great way to confirm accuracy. Time management is important too. Breaking homework into smaller parts and focusing on one step at a time can make solving equations feel less overwhelming. With these strategies, you will find that variables are essential tools in writing, manipulating, and solving equations effectively.